Does responding to Google reviews help with your SEO? Welcome to Casey's SEO. And yes, answering Google reviews should help your SEO on a local level. Before I answer this question, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips. If you have a Google business profile page, I highly recommend that you answer every review that comes in. It doesn't matter if it's negative or positive. By responding to each review in a quickly manner, you're going to let Google know that you are responding to reviews and you're trying to help out your customers. When responding to reviews, I highly recommend that you guys add keywords to your responses, as this will give Google more information on what your business is about. And since Google likes fresh content, by adding responses, you're always going to be updating your Google business profile page, and that should push you above a competitor that doesn't answer any of their reviews. This goes the same if you have a website and you have blogs which people can comment on. If somebody leaves a comment, go ahead, add a response to that comment. The more content that you have on that site will make that page freshly updated, and Google always loves fresh content. Now here's another quick tip. If you want to add more content to your Google business profile page, there is a section where you can ask questions, or potential customers can ask questions, and then you can leave a response. So make sure to check that out. If you've never seen that, go ahead, put some different questions down, add an answer. You'll just provide more information to that potential client, and it might even help you get the sale. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more SEO tips.